Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. And I'm playing along with A Christmas in December, something I haven't done in a very long time. But I have just a few pictures of Christmas from last year, 2023. And I created page kits using this. You probably know what the collection is. I don't know it off the top of my head. I do have sequins that are not going to work, so I'm going to go ahead and just put them away. But I have a whole bunch of bits and bobs. We have frames. We have all kinds of puffies and stickers, a sticker sheet, the Bella Boulevard Christmas, a flare. They are bee flares because we're doing dogs. So I want to just go ahead. I would love to be able to mat it this way, so I'm going to have to trim off that white border. Now, my lovely friend Moira does this collaboration with a whole bunch of people. So I'm going to go 4.5 by 3.5, I think. Let's do 3. Just my girls in their Christmas sweaters really can't see it, but they're cute. And I might actually substitute those flare for some of these flare. And there I got Christmas ones. It's not gonna go. For these flares. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take these 3 and I'm gonna leave them there. Burn it. And then I need different thread. So let me grab some thread. I'm gonna grab some green thread and I will be right back. I'm going to go ahead and mat the photo on this and then the black. And then here are the pattern papers. So what I thought we would do is do this as my background. I want to do this one. I want to do this with the fold and then have the snowflake pattern paper be on this side. So give me 1 second and I will put that all together and I'll be right back. Okay, it's like Tuesday of the next week. Things happen. I want to start some embellishment pieces. So I think we're gonna do one here, here, and then like up there. So we gotta have some kind of foundational piece. I'll just take this little clear sticker. And no, it doesn't match up, but it's going to be covered up anyways, so it's just where we're going to start. And then we've got this one, which we are going to come in. Do we want it up here? Yeah, I do want it. I want it right there. So we're going to go ahead and just add some adhesive all the way around. Okay. These are all later stuff, possibly. And then I've got this guy. Where do we want to put this guy though? Kind of feel like this one's gonna look stupid there. So what if we did this one? Yep, we're gonna go with that. See how easily I changed my mind? We're gonna pop that one right there. And then we're gonna take the Peppermint Kisses. Oh, that doesn't even fit in the middle. Seriously? Okay, I like that. So now I'm gonna get this all inked up. Normally I add twine, so I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. I am going to add a bit of foam right there in the center to give it something to sit on, and we are going to add some twine, so this is kind of backwards. It's what I normally do. But you get the gist of what we got going on. Let's go ahead and add some glue in there. Okay. And now let's make sure we get this stuck right there. Then we've got the twine. Okay. So now let's just do this again. And beef up the other. So we're going to run that one kind of like that. We're going to add things over the top of it so it's not going to look so weird. And then this guy, we're just going to kind of pop right there. I do like the bow. None of this stuff, I know it's from American Crafts, but none of it ever sticks. So see, we're going to cover this one right there. Then we got the Make It Merry. Do like that, so we're going to go ahead and pop him up on that. Okay. Hope I put that on the, oh, I did. So now we can just pop that one right there. Okay, I do want to use this snowflake, and that's all that I want to use out of this. I'm just going to pop him down here. Well, hello, people texting me. Let's get a few of these cute little pieces. I know it's tone on tone, so you're not going to be able to see them. But we all know that they are there. Okay. Let's use these because that's what I'm trying for here. So that's basically what I'm going to do. I've got my 3 clusters going, and now I'm just going to pop this right here. You can see a little bit of that glue, but this is a very Merry Christmas. We've got the bird. We can do it like that. Oh, well, hello. Hello, something stuck on there. I've got all kinds of stuff in this little kit that I made, and I really do enjoy the kit. So let's just nestle this guy right here. And then we can come in with some more of the snowflakes. All right, so I am going to keep going with this. I'm just going to keep adding these little bits and pieces all around. And when it's done, we'll come back and we'll finish a little bit of it up together. So give me just a minute and we'll be right back. Alright, as you can see, we've got all of those little bits and bobs on there. This is what I have left, one of the sticker sheets, and those two. I have these wood veneer that I'm actually going to try to get on there, because I think we can get them on there. And in all honesty, more is fun sometimes. I'm gonna put that guy there. I think so. And we'll get the little reindeer up there. Okay. And the little reindeer guy, we'll put him this way. Just set him on that. So, even more used. I only got the one holly on there. I probably should try to come in and maybe add a few more of these. This is not on yet. Kind of round that out. Alright. We're going to get the forever, so it's going to be forever. Very Merry Christmas. Whoa. I'm just gluing this not very well, I might add. My tip has got a lot of glue on the end of it, but that's because it's the way it sits. I do find I use more liquid glue now that I have this My Sweet Petunia gun. I don't use the Nuvo ink though, I use what I have on hand. Alright, the only thing that I want to add is some gold splatters. And like I said, I don't normally say shake your inks like this, but this ink is almost gone and the nozzle is completely clogged. So I've got the string. We've got all kinds of fun. Why did they stop making gold Heidi Swapp gold color shine? Does anybody know the answer to that? I mean, it was like the most coveted things a few years ago. And it was coveted because everybody used it, but I just never understood why they just stopped making it. Like, I don't know. It could have been the sales, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Alright, get that cleaned up, using up my products, having fun with it. As Christmas is for me next week. From filming, this is probably going up on Christmas, so hey, Merry Christmas. You guys, it's been a day. So I do hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas. Check everybody else out that's playing along with the hop. I crack myself up because I'm like 2 weeks ahead of schedule here, so that's kind of fun. But this is one of my favorite go-to designs. I love the fold, and that way you get to use a lot of stuff. And as you can see, I just kind of threw everything on here, but I really, really like the way that it turned out. So this is so cute, and I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.